VIMASYS, short for Visual Management System, is a project management tool which combines and amalgamates multidisciplinary 3D models created by different softwares into one large unified model. The purpose of this amalgamation is to facilitate real-time visualization of the entire plant, ensuring consistency between the models and streamlining the coordination between the design and construction team. In particular, it has been designed for eliminating the loss of time and money resulting from an unavoidable lack of coordination in large projects. With VIMASYS, you can go on a virtual tour of a plant consisting of dozens of structures, modeled right down to the smallest detail. With the help of intuitive commands designed to facilitate the virtual walkthrough, moving alongside the structures and equipment, taking an overall look, or inspecting particular areas in detail is extremely easy. Furthermore, with the help of a groundbreaking rendering engine, VIMASYS can render extremely large models in real time, panning and rotating them with almost no lag, greatly increasing its usability. Using the different visualization modes, you can understand the complex model in the most convenient way, or produce different views of the model in either perspective or orthogonal projection styles. With the help of intelligently designed zoom and pan commands, getting to a distant object quickly and without hassle takes no time. All this is done without losing sight of the desired object. It is also possible to move around a particular object of interest, or in general around whatever is in front of your eyes as you navigate through the model. As you navigate through the 3D model, you can measure the size of various objects or the distance between any 2 points, thereby checking whether they conform to the requirements or not. Furthermore, with the query commands, you can check which discipline or system a particular object belongs to, who modeled it, which 3D submodel does it belong to, and other object-related intelligent information which may have been embedded into it. In a complex model, if it is getting difficult to find what you're looking for, or if you want to inspect only a particular discipline, you can do this through extremely flexible filtering options. You can also simply select and hide any random set of objects blocking your view to clear the clutter and focus on whatever it is that you want to see. In VIMASYS, you can clip the model with one or more than one plane and inspect the sectional view which will be created at those planes. If required, these intelligent clipping planes can be moved about to examine any part of the model, or their clipping direction can be reversed. With VIMASYS, you can check for potential clashes between any structural, architectural, electrical, or mechanical object long before the construction process starts and make the necessary design changes to avoid them at an early stage. In this way, large time and money losses, which would have been incurred at the site, are conveniently foreseen and avoided. In VIMASYS, clash checking is rule-based. In other words, only those clashes which obey certain rules are reported. For instance, the clashes stemming from rebars clashing with rebars, or the clash of welded parts penetrating into other objects which are known to not cause a real-world clash, can be turned off. In this way, sifting through an unnecessarily long list of meaningless clashes can be avoided. In addition, the clash check can be performed only between selected models or selected disciplines, or most generally between selected object groups as well. With VIMASYS, you can increase coordination and reduce time loss in projects with multiple teams working in different companies across the world. VIMASYS is a multi-user platform based on access rights of the various users, which are themselves based on the role they have been assigned in the project. By logging on to the VIMASYS server through either a local network or over the internet, the users can view the models uploaded by other users, update their own models, and in general, make use of all the functionality of VIMASYS to the extent to which their roles allow them. With its ability to save and share views from the model, you can save and recall viewpoints which are frequently used instead of navigating to find them every time. For instance, if you are discussing a certain problematic area with a colleague, you can directly navigate to that area and simply share the viewpoint with your colleague through a simple automated email. When the recipient applies the link sent in the email to the model on his side, VIMASYS will take him directly to the place you want to show him, leaving no room for doubt or confusion. To report clashes to concerned parties, you can create what are called issues. Then these issues can be assigned to any user and can be flagged according to their priority as well. When they are resolved, they can be dropped from the list of unresolved issues. VIMASYS brings project visualization and project management under one roof. By integrating and scheduling resource planning and cost-related data with the 3D model, the plant can be constructed virtually on your screen along a timeline, and any potential bottlenecks can be analyzed and solved before even stepping on the site. This greatly reduces the risks involved in large construction projects. You can define the resources to be used right inside VIMASYS. Workers, construction machinery, and even computers can be added to the project as resources. The scheduling of various tasks can also be done directly from within VIMASYS without having to use any other third-party software or be imported into VIMASYS if you already have one. You can then associate tasks with real construction objects, which you see on the screen, and assign resources to these tasks. In this way, a two-way relationship is established between tasks and real-world objects, which can then be queried. The erection work schedule can in this way be visualized and construction simulations be carried out.